Welcome! In this video, we will cover how to understand the billing page once you opt to retrieve and a list of visits ready to be invoiced is pulled. Knowing how to read the grid and manage the billing section for your business will help ensure that you are utilizing this feature correctly and not accidentally create billing problems down the road. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the main menu and select Billing. Adjust any of the parameters to pull the desired list of visits ready to be invoiced, and then click Retrieve. Based on the parameters established, a list of properties and their completed not yet invoiced visits will be displayed. You can collapse or expand the various properties as needed for visibility. Within any expanded view, let's review how to understand the various columns. Date displays the date the work to do was scheduled for. ID displays the ID of the item being invoiced, which is the line item that ties into QuickBooks. This can be items like services, materials, or trip charges. Description is a description of the item being invoiced. For trip charge, this includes the amount of time covered. For work to-dos, it will include visit number, field and office notes, and invoice detail type. For materials, it's simply the description of the item. Pending shows if the invoice has attempted to be sent to QuickBooks. This is mainly used for QuickBooks Desktop, since that's where you would need to sign in to a separate tool rather than just clicking send. Quantity shows the quantity of items being invoiced. For services, this can be number of hours and materials, or number of items used. Trip charge displays how much time the trip charge covers at whatever the set rate is. Rate displays the rate that the individual item will be billed at when sent across on the invoice. This does not account for the quantity, only for one item. Total displays the total quantity plus the rate to get the total amount being billed. Alert shows if there's anything that would stop the invoice from sending. Usually, this is due to no times being added in the visit, but was manually marked as complete. Visit Summary allows you to view or edit any times and materials before invoicing. Understanding the information available within this grid will help ensure that you are able to stay on top of managing your company's billing.